Next, attach the straps over the tank and secure them in place using the same type bolts. Okay, that's nice. They tell you to put it over there, but they don't tell you to put it on. So I'm looking at the pictures, looks like. So here they say strap it over. So I'm looking at these other pictures. Here's where the boom goes. Looks like the fill opening's on this side. So we'll set the tank on up. Interesting. So the straps are pre-bent somewhat to go like this. And this photo shows the tabs going away from the tank. So I'm thinking they bent them the wrong way. So I'm going to flip it over and bend it back the quote correct way. They do have a set of bolts specifically marked for the straps. To me, it makes more sense to have these like the photo says, away from it, so your sharp edge is further back. Pull this over here so you can see what I'm doing. So it has me, like I said, these are pre-bent to go like that. I don't necessarily like that. In the photo, it shows this out part going like this, which makes more sense because it keeps the tank and everything away from this bolt and this edge. So we're going to do that. Just snugging these up until I get everything in position and ready to tighten. There we go. Oh! Okay, let me find my instructions again. Step 5. Attach the center boom member of the 4-nozzle boom to the boom support bar, centering it on the unit using the 2 U-bolts and 4 more bolts, 4 more nuts. Make sure the outer boom members fold backwards. Okay, so I'm going to leave that. They haven't had me bolt the bottom of the tank yet. Oh, because I skipped that part. So you bolt the tank down, position it, and then put those over top. So they have a set of shorter 4 bolts with a thread lock on it, which I'm going, it doesn't say specifically. I'm going to assume these are for the bottom of the tank. It does warn you not to over tighten them. So I'm going to start all 4 of them first, where I start any tightening. Grab this camera here, show you what we were looking at. So here's this side. You have 2 of them that go up through there, and there's molded in nuts in the bottom of the tank. That's why you have to be careful. screws this back up to here while I tighten those straps down, or tighten the tank down. I'm just going to use my wrench so I can control how much I feel it tightening. So what I'm going to do is run it up until I just barely feel resistance. That way I make sure I pull the tank down evenly. So I've got them just slightly snug. What I'm going to do is give this a turn, go to the opposite corner, and then come back over here, and then go back over there to try to pull it down tight, evenly. I'm not tightening it up a whole bunch, so I don't want to risk cracking. They're pulling out the threaded inserts. Okay, so get this strap one around. There's a molded in groove that sits in here. Part of what I'm noticing is I don't quite make it all the way to the metal. I'm going to loosen this up about halfway in the back. So we have our long screws. Doing the same thing I did with tank. Now I'm dealing with some plastic here. Yes, it should take some abuse, but I'm going to try to pull it down evenly so that I don't pull the one to the front or the back and create a stress. So what I'm doing is doing a few turns at the front and a few turns at the back. Actually, I'm going to stop and go ahead and start the other strap. On this front, watch the edge of this strap. So it was cockeyed just a little bit and the point was sticking out past the metal. I may end up taking a file and just hitting that to make sure it didn't have a sharp edge. Here's what I was talking about. If that's cocked just a little bit, it's going to stick out past that edge and create a sharp point. You can see I'm in the groove. You can see they're pulled down fairly evenly. Alright, next step is to attach the booms.